You can easily incorporate dumbbell exercises into your routine to build strength in your core muscles. This includes your lower back, abdominal, and pelvic muscles. Strengthening these muscles helps to tone this area of your body and improve its overall appearance. You'll gain more stability in your body, which helps with overall function and movement. You'll also have better balance, coordination, and posture. You can do abdominal dumbbell exercises at your home, the gym, or the office. They're the perfect way to sneak in a short workout, or you can include them in a longer workout routine. In this video, we are going to talk about what dumbbell exercises will tighten the core of my body. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Number 1. Russian twist. Sit with your legs in front of you. Bend your knees, flex your feet, and place your heels on the ground. Hold a dumbbell in front of your chest. Hinge at your hips, engage your core, and lean your upper body back at an angle. Slowly twist your upper body to the right. Return to the starting position. Repeat on the left side. This is 1 repetition. Number 2. Dumbbell rowboat. Sit with your legs in front of you. Hold a dumbbell in front of your chest. Lift your feet off the floor. Engage your core muscles as you twist to the right. Slowly return to center. Repeat on the left side. This is 1 repetition. Number 3. Suitcase crunch. For this exercise, keep your feet off the ground the entire time. Lie on your back and hold a dumbbell overhead. Lift your feet a few inches off the floor. Raise your legs to a 90-degree angle. At the same time, lift the dumbbell toward your feet as you lift your upper body. Slowly return to the starting position. Number 4. Alternating overhead press. For this exercise, engage your core and keep your lower back straight. Stand with your feet hip distance apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, bending your elbows to position your hands at shoulder height with your palms facing forward. Straighten your left arm to raise the weight overhead. Slowly lower your arm back to the starting position. Repeat on the right side. This is 1 repetition. Number 5. Side plank raise. Lie on your left side with your legs extended. Use your left forearm for support. Stack your feet and place a dumbbell on your right hip. Lift your hips and legs as high as possible. Hold this position for a few seconds. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat on the right side. Number 6. Long arm dumbbell crunch. Lie on a mat with bent knees. Press the soles of your feet firmly into the ground. Use both hands to hold a dumbbell behind you. Engage your core as you raise the weight overhead and do a sit-up or crunch. Slowly lower your body back to the starting position. Number 7. Weighted sit-ups. To make this exercise easier, you can do crunches instead of sit-ups. Lie on your back with bent knees and your feet on the floor near your hips. Hold a dumbbell against your chest. Engage your core as you lift your upper body toward your knees. Pause in this position for a few seconds. Slowly lower back to the starting position. Number 8. Squat to overhead press. Come into a standing position. Hold 2 dumbbells in toward your chest with your palms facing your body. Lower into a squat. Stand up straight. At the same time, extend your arms overhead with your palms facing away from your body. Return to the starting position. Number 9. Dumbbell burpee. Use both hands to hold a dumbbell horizontally. Squat down, placing the weight on the floor. Jump back into a push-up position. Do 1 push-up. Pick up the dumbbell. Jump your feet forward, landing in a low squat. Return to standing. Number 10. V-sits. Lie on your back and hold a dumbbell behind your head. Raise your upper body and legs at the same time to form a V-shape. Slowly lower to the starting position. Number 11. Overhead side bend. Use your right hand to hold a dumbbell overhead. Place your left hand on your hip or alongside your body. Bend over to the left side. Hold this position for a few seconds. Return to the starting position. Then do the opposite side. Number 12. Leg raises. Lie on your back with a dumbbell between your ankles. Raise your legs to a 45-degree angle. Slowly lower them to the starting position. Number 13. Standing weighted twist. To make this exercise more challenging, do it with straight arms. Stand and hold a dumbbell in at your chest. Rotate your torso to the right. Return to center. Rotate your torso to the left. This is 1 repetition. Number 14. Reverse lunge with twist. Stand and hold a dumbbell with outstretched arms. Step your left foot back and lower into a lunge position. Twist your torso to the right. Twist back to center. Straighten your legs to return to the starting position. do the opposite side. This is 1 repetition. Number 15. Lying overhead reach. Lie on your back. Hold a dumbbell in each hand above your chest. Position your knees above your hips with your calves parallel to the floor. Slowly lower your arms to the floor behind your head. Return your arms to the starting position. So this is our today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Don't forget to check our important links in the description below.